This is our shop Raptor. Jake drives this to work every day. It's the Battle Born Raptor on the license plate. We've partnered with Westin to bring you some new products for the F-150 platform. Obviously, you guys had seen our video on this tri-fold bed cover, really nice quality. We did a video on this and how well the double seal system on this works. This is a really nice bed cover. And you know, there's a lot of other covers out there that have been around forever, but I feel like some of the brands have lost a little bit of quality, and Westin is coming into the game with these new products with really nice quality. This cover is installed. We'll actually be removing this because we're gonna be installing one of their EXP aluminum camper shells, bed topper. So that's gonna be cool. That is gonna be in the next week or two, we'll get that done. But today we're installing a set of these. So these are the new Westin Pro E running boards. And you can see we've already got one on this side. I'm not gonna close the door all the way because he's still working on the wiring, but a really nice low profile electric step that's got good weight carrying, and compared to some of the other ones on the market, I feel like it doesn't flex as much. It seems like it's a little more sturdy. It's a great looking step, and when it folds up, it tucks way out of the way. You won't even know it's there. Check out those Westin Pro E running boards.